Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about array of object using OOP concept. So this is class and class student. We have one constructor. Self is the obviously default parameter and it has two parameter name and role. Self.name equal to name and self.roll equal to role. Now this is nothing but we have created one empty list. Okay, and then we are calling constructor four times by writing this statement because it is a list dot append, and append function parameter bracket we are calling constructor. See, it will call constructor because of this student and bracket with two parameters, and at the same time it will create that instance into a list. Inside this it will append one by one all the entries. So now everything is inside of this variable. Using list and using for loop, we can easily print i.name, i.roll number, and separator we have not given any separator right now. So let's check the output of this first. See, it is without space over here. But suppose if you want space, then using separator you can write space. See, and suppose you want space obviously, and you want asterisk sign, and suppose one more space. Okay, something like this. That is also possible. That is separator actually. Okay, and obviously this is one of the way, but we can have one more way by which obviously we can append also and we can print also, but not in the same way. Like for example, that empty list I will keep as it is only, but if I have a name, a list, okay, though in that list suppose in double quotation a, comma double quotation B, comma double quotation I will write C, comma double quotation I will write D. Okay, that is for name. And now suppose if I have a role, so role equal to again list. Okay, so 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So we are done with that name list and role list. So what I will do, I will write for I in range, and we know four values, so 0 to 4 because of the four values obviously. Okay, and obviously we have a list, empty list dot append. Okay, append, and inside this obviously our class name is student, and inside of that I will write name of I. Okay, and then comma role of I, and then closing of the bracket, parameter bracket, that is the first one. Okay, so one by one it will append also. I will just keep this part in comment section. Okay, control S, and let's check the output what we are getting for this also. Okay, indentation, I think there is some problem with only indentation, just one bit. Okay, see, it was ABCD name, not Aakash and all that things. It was ABCD, but again it is, as I said, it is possible. See, this is the output. Okay, see, in both the way you can use or you can write, like by creating separately the names you know, and then directly using for loop also you can append. Otherwise you can use the previous method which I show you, like this one only. You can use any one. Okay, and one more thing, here also you can define display function and display all these things. For example, suppose if I write suppose part of this only, def display, and self as a one parameter default, and you are interested in printing. Okay, self dot name and print self dot roll, that is the name actually given. Okay, so now here also it will be for loop, same way, for four times I in range, and now obviously we will call the display function, so we can use list of I. Okay, list of I dot name of the function is what? Display function. So that we can use and we can call the display function also. So control S, and we are getting the output. See, we are getting in next, and that's why that is on us. Like we, if you want to use, you can use the separator or something. But we are getting output A1, B2, C3, and D4 using the for loop. This is the array concept actually. This, if I remove this line, just 1 minute. Okay, this is like proper, and this way you can implement. Thank you everyone.